Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to improve battery life on Motorola ThinkPhone 25. If your Motorola ThinkPhone 25 battery drains quickly, I'll show you some easy steps to make it last longer. So starting off with shortening your screen timeout. To do this, open up your settings, display, down here to screen timeout, and choose a shorter time like 30 seconds or 1 minute. I'll choose 30 seconds. And now your screen will turn off faster when you're not using it, and it will of course save your power. So the next thing you'll need to do in display is turning on the dark theme. As the ThinkPhone 25 has an OLED screen, using dark mode can save power by keeping more pixels turned off. So the next thing is disabling vibrations and haptic. To do this, you'll need to find sound and vibration, scroll down here to vibration and haptics, and make sure it's turned off. And the last thing you can do is restricting your background app activity. To do this, you'll need to go to battery, manage background apps, and use manage background apps. So as it's turned on, you can adjust your background apps and save your battery. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.